So it's confirmed earlier by Promo Veritas that the winner of the BOTB lifestyle competition this week is Tim Martin. Tim has won £15,000 in cash. And just before we give him a video call, let's have a quick look at last week's skilled competition question, which was, which of these TV shows is not based in the USA? Well, hopefully you got at least the top left one correct. Friends, that's obviously based in America. So is The Sopranos, Orange is the New Black. Fleabag, though, is not based in the USA. That is based here in the UK, in London. Now, I've got Tim's details on my phone. Let's give him a video call and give him the good news that he's £15,000 better off.
Hello?
Hi, is that Tim?
It sure is.
How are you, Tim?
Oh, very well, thanks. Absolutely superb.
Good, good. What are you up to today?
I'm at work, but I've just lent it home. My battery went to my phone, man, so I've just lent it all the way home to get my charges, plug it in. And you just thought, how we are £1 like mad here.
So, Tim, I obviously dropped you a text earlier just to say that I would be video calling you this morning, just with some potentially very good news about the lifestyle competition, and I love that you legged it all the way home to get your charger.
Oh, God, I was doing like 60 bar an hour all the way. My arm was bad through police behind me and everything. I was just signing for them to say I'm away so I can get home quickly.
Now, Tim, with that accent, I can probably guess where you are in the UK, but you tell me.
I'm from Liverpool.
Are you from Liverpool? I thought you might be. And what do you do for a job?
I'm a plumber.
You're a plumber. So were you at a client's house, or?
Yeah, I was in the house working then, yeah.
Oh, so you just legged it out? Just give me 5 minutes.
All the way home, yeah.
Well, Tim, thank you for accepting my video call. If I just put my phone down here for a second. You obviously played our BOTB lifestyle competition last week.
That's it.
And, Tim, I'm pleased to say, if I bring in the big check, you are this week's winner. You've just won yourself £15,000.
Oh, unbelievable. Absolutely fantastic. I am buzzing here. Might even have the rest of the day off.
I would have the rest of the day off, yeah. So congratulations, £15,000 is yours. What do you think, you'd spend a bit of the money on?
Yeah, I'm going to do my house up, to be honest.
Oh, fantastic.
My house needs cutting. I'm going to start it.
Yeah.
So I'll just spend it on that.
Do you know a good plumber that can help you out?
Yeah, I know.
I thought you might. Tim, huge congratulations. Well done. And good luck with the house renovations.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Have a great day, Tim. Cheers, bye. Massive congratulations to Tim Martin winning £15,000 in cash. His house is going to look really swanky after that renovation. Of course, we'll be calling someone again next week, so if you've entered the BOTB lifestyle competition this week, if you get the question correct, you never know, you might just be next week's winner. Best of luck.